message for everyone, especially those of my Biafran brothers and sisters that thinks attacking my opinion is the only way to show their grievances without having a proper rethink. And trust me, I am so disappointed at the way we address our issues without proper understanding. It is quite alarming, and the earlier we start to effect corrections on that, the better for us all. And let me state this fact. My videos and my advices is not only limited to Biafran struggle alone. Do not personalize it. And if you think I have contradicted myself in my videos, then you need to sanitize your mindset because you've got a lot to learn. We have cried over our struggle. We have buried people because of our problems. We have cried because of our problems. Now, my big question is, what are we going to do to provide lasting solutions to the problem? And some people talking about taking bribe and being bought off. My dear, I am disappointed as well at you. If you don't have integrity, I've got a lot of integrity to protect. I've got a lot of integrity to dash people. We are talking about a referendum. Who will grant us the referendum we're talking about? The government of today does not understand the word referendum. They don't even want to listen to the plight of their citizens. Our fundamental human right has been totally tampered with. If you talk, prison awaits you. DSS is awaiting you. So who is going to deceive themselves? You or I? We are deceiving ourselves. We should participate in government. The kingdom of God suffereth violence, and the violent take it by force. If we still will not participate in government, they will bring people that will succeed them. They will stay one place and laugh at us. I have condemned Nigerian government on several occasions because we have bad leaders. And the earlier we start to change them, the better for us. I don't like a situation where we are just stagnant. Stagnation shouldn't be our watchword. Technology evolves. That is the way I believe our mindset should be evolving. Technology upgrades as well. Some people use iPhone 6 today. Tomorrow they want to use iPhone 7 because they want their phone to upgrade. And that is the way I employ us to upgrade our mindset. We should stop rotating around. No one is indispensable. No one is an island. Everyone is entitled to his or her opinion. The government of today will not grant a referendum. That is what I have to tell you. We have to participate in government. If they say they don't want to give us Biafra, we'll re-strategize. We devise another means. Some of us shouting Biafra this, Biafra that, we'll do this, we'll do that. Most of us don't even know the mechanism and the history behind Biafran struggle. Most of us don't know how it originated. But we are shouting and killing ourselves. We don't like practice. We just like theory. Let's not make this Biafran struggle sound like an illusion. The earlier we start to practice and re-strategize means to take over the government, the better for us. Let us do oppression, take over the southeast and the south-south. If you don't want to vote, you could still come out and contest. If Nnamdi Kanu with the troops that follows him around comes out and say, I want to appoint somebody that is going to be governor of Imo State, Abia State, so in the 5 eastern states we have, don't you think that we've hijacked the southeast? Operation take over the southeast and we'll migrate into the south-south. And the enabling environment we're talking about, we get it. They say charity begins at home. We start from our own inner circle. And that is how we will continue to make our country governable for everybody. For we to have a good Biafra, we must have an enabling environment in this country. It sounds very bitter, but that is the truth. You don't have option, you just have to digest it. It's a bitter truth. We have to start practicing good governance. We have to start taking the bull by the horn. Let us contest. You could come out and contest. I could as well do that. Let us stop crying over a spilt milk. These people does not have our interest at heart. Why did Ojukwu, after fighting 1967 to 1970 civil war that claimed over 3 million Biafrans, still came out in the 2003 presidential election to contest under Nigerian government? Does it mean Ojukwu sabotaged the Biafran struggle? The answer is no. For you to catch a criminal, you must disguise yourself as a criminal. Let's stop building our castle in the air. Everybody is just coming out to be talking. Nobody is bringing solution. We need people that will provide solutions to our problems. If we don't do it, the problem will continue. Our people will continue to die. The government will continue to give us deaf ears. Please, I beg you, if you don't know what to comment, allow people that are sensible enough and people that are well enlightened to bring proper solutions to our problems. No one is an island, like I said before. Everyone could come out and bring opinion. In a table of four, everyone is entitled to say what he or she wants. I want to leave us with this word. What are we going to do to salvage our land? Thank you.